Hi YouTube, welcome back to another video. I am Patrice Johnson and I'm getting ready to just do a really quick unboxing and kind of let you guys know where I've been, what I've been up to. So basically summer camp started at my job. While I am the manager of finance during the summer when our center is overrun with over 200 girls, I become the finance manager, the lunch supervisor, lunch kid, keep them from killing each other person. I teach fashion classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I also do checkout. It's pretty much all hands on deck situation. But I have gotten some good packages in the mail. So this one came from Thanks I Made Them, and it's pattern weights. All the people who sew have already gotten them. It's wrapped in old pattern tissue, which is probably a good thing to use this stuff for. But I'm gonna open it up. Oh, this tag is wood. Neat. This is wooden and it says for fabric only. Thanks I Made Them. That's cute. So I'm just opening this stuff up right now so I can show you. So they're handcrafted laser cut pattern weights, and you can apparently get them in wood, marble, travertine, ceramic. And you can I know that I recently saw someone mention online that if you put your like Instagram name or your business name, she will put it on some of the shirts. So this is a thimble. This one says sewing in progress. This one is a spool of yarn with the needles in them. And on the back of them is felt so that it won't damage your, so that they don't damage your clothes. Mark them up. A sewing machine. Pin cushion. Safety pins. And a button and a cute little needle. So they come as a set of 8. I know that you can pay extra to have them customized with your business and certain images, but they are $22 for 8 of them. And then if you, of course, get customizations, then it'll be a little bit more expensive. But they are super cute and just a cute, fun thing to add to my sewing collection, sewing tools collection. All right, so that's that. Then I also got in the mail, just to keep my receipt. So this one is from Sew You. So she has like such a great personality. I love to follow her Insta stories. That's where she clowns the most. But Patrice, thank you for your support. So Sew You and someone else was doing a the So Fresh So Clean challenge. So if you hashtag that So Fresh So Clean 13, and they've been sharing just like whatever people made during, you know, for the next I think 13 weeks or so. But it was a great thing that she was doing. But she designed these sewing patches. So I got mine in red, black, and white after one of my sorors had gotten my kid. Okay, so as I was saying before life happened in my house, is that I saw I saw one of my sorors have requested that she make one in red, black, and white. The original colors are like pink and turquoise and purple, so very kind of pastel-y, girly colors. But this one, I saw the red, black, and white one, and of course loved it. And I'm going to put it on. I have a light denim jacket a light color blue denim jacket. So I'm going to put this on the back of that. So I'll make sure that when I do it, I'll film the process. She gave me some instructions on how to apply. So I will definitely do that. Thank you so much for that. And then the final thing that I've gotten in the mail. You probably have seen, you've probably seen these pink envelopes popping up all over your Instagram feed. Tabitha Soar, who is another fun Instagram account that I follow, just released her debut pattern that is self-titled, and it's the Josephine Baker. Is it Josephine Baker? Lena Horne. Yeah. So it's the Lena Horne pattern. And it's kind of like a really cute kind of pinafore top. You can see the lines on the back. This is not typically something that I would wear because of the way that the back is made. I don't know that, you know, I have to wear a bra. There's no not wearing a bra that happens for me. But I just really wanted to support the brand and Tabitha, and I think she's doing an amazing job. She has like really she's put in the work, and you can see her work and her effort and her consistency paying off, and I just really appreciate and love to support when people go for it and just do their very best. So patterns from Tabitha Soar, follow her if you don't already. Patch is from Seweu, SEWEU. She's on Instagram. Her Instagram stories are so funny and hilarious. She always makes me laugh. And I've not had any personal interaction with Thanks I Made Them, but pattern weights are so super cute. And love to support women and Black folk who are out here making their dreams happen. So that is the end of this video. I don't know when the next video will happen. It'll probably be the end of summer by the time you guys start to receive consistent videos from me, just because by the time I make it home, I'm usually getting home these days between 6:45 and 7. And once I do that, it's, you know, eat if I haven't eaten, hang out with my kids, put them to bed by 8:15. I take my bath and I'm out of the tub and everything by 8:45. Ian is out the house for work by 9:20-ish, and I'm dead to the world. So like there's been nothing super duper creative. And I will share photos on my Instagram feed of the things that the kids are making in the sewing class that I'm teaching this summer. But again, that'll be on my Instagram feed because it won't be it won't be enough for YouTube. But thank you so much for watching this channel and supporting me. I appreciate everybody who views. I really appreciate everybody who comments, all the subscribers, and I will see you back consistently, definitely after the summertime. There will be some things that I will post periodically here and there. But as far as like sewing content, it ain't gonna happen, sis. I will have a couple travel things coming up. In July, I'm going to Chicago to go fabric shopping, and in June, I'm going to Chicago to go fabric shopping, and in July, we're going to Cincinnati for a family road trip. So I will film those and post those things here as travel vlogs, but as far as the sewing, it will not be happening anytime soon just because I don't have the time to dedicate to it. Also, there is one pair of pants that I may make and film the process of. I'm going to try. But once I come back, it's going to be wedding time for me. So getting my dresses and everything set for my vow renewal ceremony, which is happening in February of next year, 2020. So I am rambling now, and I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here and right now. Thanks again for watching. If you have not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe and share it with a friend. Bye, guys.